What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video, rebuilding and installing Widebody kit on Tesla Model 3. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link down in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. In part 1, we replaced the quarter panel. In part 2, we installed the body kit, did all the body work. It was a lot of work to get this kit properly fitted, but we're all finished. So now part 3, we're gonna be painting the body kit, reinstalling everything back in the car, pretty much get this car ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Super exciting video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and now let's get to work. That's it. After many long nights spent alone, I finally completed the body kit. Body work is finished, so now it's ready for paint. Everything came out super flawless, perfect gaps everywhere. As you guys know, this was a 2-section piece, so we molded everything together, did a bunch of body fillers so everything looks even. Same with the side skirts, everything is fitted and ready to go. And same in the back. In the back was a little more complicated because it had 3 pieces. Had this piece, and once again we all molded everything together so it's one solid piece. Gaps are perfect, nothing sticking out. So super happy with everything. So now it's time for primer, time for Andre to do his magic and get this car painted and ready to go. It. Tesla is prepped and ready to go. I just put seam sealer and Andre is gonna do his magic, paint the quarter panel, and then we'll start painting all the body kit parts. Almost finished. Let's go. I'm back on the Tesla, everything is painted and ready to go, so now I could start reinstalling everything and get this thing wrapped up. I'm gonna start with the front end, install the hood, headlights, bumper, and then for the final wide body flares. And man, this thing's gonna look very nice. Just installed the hood, everything lines up perfect. So next we're gonna install the headlight, and customer actually wanted to smoke them out and just leave this exposed. So it should look pretty mean once everything is installed. just installed the bumper. Man, this thing's starting to look super aggressive. Just all murdered out. Check it out. Boom, look at that beast. Just everything blacked out, full murdered. Black wheels, black everything. I like it a lot. Just installed the rear bumper and what a transformation. It looks so crazy. Check it out, look at that mean looking machine, wow. So next we're gonna start installing the side flares and then work our way to the front. But yeah, those are the side flares. But the rest of the car looks amazing, I love it. Put the Tesla together, installed all the under shields, all the fender liners, and same in the front fender liners installed. Everything is looking good, and everything underneath as well. This is a factory cover, so the bumper feels very, very solid, nothing moves. Like factory. Alright, let's install the wheels and lower the car and start the detailing process. So right now for the final, we're gonna install this beautiful carbon fiber steering wheel made by TASTIC. It's gonna look very nice. Since the car looks so mean, it just deserves a nice solid steering wheel. So let's remove that one and install this guy. That's it, just transfer all the buttons and everything. So now we're ready to start installing this cool looking steering wheel. That's it, just installed the steering wheel, looking good. I like now you could see everything, looks like a spaceship. Very good quality, carbon fiber made by TASTIC. If you guys need a steering wheel for your car, he could make it, any make or model. Reach out to him, I'll put all his information down in the description, TASTIC, and mention that you guys are from LNC and he'll give you a little discount. So we're done with the steering wheel, and then for the final we end up putting the red seat covers, and man, it looks so much better. Kind of gives you that nice contrast of black, everything's black, and then red seats. And then this way it protects your original leather, and it looks like came from factory. Let me show you the back seat. Back seat, check it out. It looks really clean as well. Perfect. Nice color combination, black with red. And it looks like it came from factory. So you have two options, red and black. If you don't like red, you could always go black. For the final, I know I said we're gonna put a big wing. I didn't like the big wing, so we decided to put a little tail wing, I would say. Perfect trunk spoiler, and it's a carbon fiber, so it makes the car look nice and classy without that big wing. Here's the picture of the big wing. Kind of looked a little goofy, so I decided to put this carbon fiber, make it look nice and slim instead of that big wing in the back. But yeah, we're all finished. Let's pull the car out, give it a quick wash, detail, and then we'll take some good cinematic shots of the final product. Let's go. Tesla is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, mean looking machine, all murdered out, looks incredible. We debadged the whole car, so whenever I'm driving this car, everybody's looking and they can't figure it out what kind of car it is, but it gets a lot of attention, pretty much one of one. Don't see anything like this on the road. So we end up installing wide body kit. We made two-piece custom LNC wheels to fit the body. Car also has a air suspension, so there's three positions. Position number one, where the car is completely aired out and slammed on the ground. Position number two, that's when you want to drive it in anywhere on the straight road. And then position number three, if you want to go over speed bumps or any steep driveway, you push that and becomes an off-road mode, and you could pretty much clear anything. And then for the interior, we did carbon fiber steering wheel and red seat covers. Gives that nice aesthetic look to it. So we're officially done with this build. This car is for sale, so if anybody's interested in purchasing one of one mean looking machine, it's now available. I'll put the link down in the description so you guys could check out the eBay link and reach out and talk to the owner, and you guys could purchase that from him. But we're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!